Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Docs on your phone and signing in so your files sync. Once signed in, tap the Docs icon and press the plus button to create a new document or choose an existing file. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. Offline access requires enabling it in settings. If prompted, grant storage and microphone permissions so you can import files and use voice typing. These first steps get you straight into editing without extra setup delays. Now focus on editing and formatting your document efficiently. Tap to place the cursor and type, or press the microphone for voice typing. This speeds up long text. Select words to reveal the formatting bar and choose bold, italic, headings, or color so structure is clear. Use the plus menu to insert images, tables, links, or page breaks. Pinch to zoom and view layout. Make sure to tap the three dots for more actions like word count and document details while you refine content. Finish by sharing and ensuring your work is saved. Tap Share, enter emails, and set edit, comment, or view permissions so collaborators can jump in. Google Docs autosaves constantly. To keep an offline copy, choose Make Available Offline or download a copy. If changes don't appear on another device, check your network, toggle sync in app settings, or sign out and back in. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache or reinstall if documents won't open. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.